It's Tuesday afternoon or night, also 5 o'clock. I am in the laundry room. And you're like, but you just did laundry the other day. Yeah, I know. But there's shopping carts in the laundry room. And somebody just went shopping. So I went to Big C, which is, the Walmart equivalent here. So, better prices, way cheaper than Tops, which is across the street in the Central Festival, and way better prices than Rimping. But Farang Boy, because Big C does have two or three aisles of quote imported foods. So me, Farang Boy, fat boy, foodie boy, managed to spend 5,000 baht. Which is a lot for Thailand for food shopping. I mean, honestly, a lot of Thais live on less than 5,000 baht a month. Now, some of the stuff, okay, I got Dijon mustard. So I'm not going to consume that in 3 days or a week or even like 2 months. I mean, I'll have that Dijon mustard for a while. Just when I go down the Farang aisle, imported foods, they call it Big C, and I see something on sale, like it's 199 baht, and it's on sale for 159. I pick it up, if I don't have it. So I'll show you exactly what 5,000 baht bought me. All right, so we got 2 6-packs of the big waters. I got a bunch of juice this time out. Orange was buy 2 get 1 free, so that's why I bought 3 orange instead of my normal 1. I got 2 of the mango because I love me some mango, and I got pomelo, which is a Thai grapefruit. They had eggs on sale, so instead of getting 1 dozen or 2, I got these are, I think, 2, 4, 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30 eggs for 75 baht. Maybe a little snack, little Sara Lee strawberry coulis cheesecake, and below that's a pizza, just plain cheese that I'm going to put some pepperoni on that I got. And wait, okay. There's 1 bag here. And I got some Kellogg's Corn Flakes, which is different. Oi! I'm too fat to be in small parking spaces. This shit's not all gonna fit, is it? I just realized this shit's not gonna fit. Oh my god, too much crap. Still, it's not gonna fit. So yeah, that's like Kellogg's Corn Flakes, bread, washing powder. I did buy a lot of shit that I don't normally. My bill is 2,000 or 3,000. Usually there's some stuff that are once again like the Dijon mustard that's in here, frozen spinach with cream, red wine vinegar. I made a sub a couple of weeks back, a sub sandwich, and I didn't have any red wine vinegar, so I enjoyed it. I'm going to do it again. So I got red wine vinegar, that type of thing. So a lot of bags, a lot of food. I mean, still less than $200, which if you got this much crap in the States, I know you'd be looking at more than $200. So that's shopping in Thailand, part 2.